Right guys, got an oscilloscope. I have connected it to the camshaft position sensor that is not exhibiting an error to just see what it looks like, and then I will swap these around to the camshaft position sensor that triggers error P0349. Now, depending on how they compare, it should tell us a little bit more if it's potentially the camshaft solenoid that needs a clean or replacement, or a timing belt. Let's have a look. I've dropped it down to 3 volts so that we see, I think it's 3 volts anyway, so that we see a pattern. So this is what the pattern of the working looks like. So let's pause the camera, swap the probes, try again. Hang a minute. And we are back. Now, and now we are checking the other one. So let's do. There are just some drops there. There was just a spike that went past now. So definitely noticing a difference.